Here's a 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. Whether climbing hills or just climbing in, Nissan Pathfinder is your base camp for everyday adventures. And it comes with all the amenities you need. External memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book reports a large upward sloping grille and two large headlight housings convey toughness, but for the most part the latest Pathfinder projects a friendly image. Innovation, excitement, Nissan. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Visit our website at youngercars.com. We're conveniently located at 1945 Dual Highway in Hagerstown, Maryland.